In this video, we're going to talk about how to log into your website. So the first thing you want to do is type in this case, we're going to do betterlife.needanewsite.com/WPadmin. When we switch over, it'll be betterlifeinc.com/WPadmin, but we'll do that at the time. Right now, we're working on the staging site. So here's your dashboard, and you just want to go down the left side, MemberPress, and then choose the settings option in that menu. And now you have all of the settings, and all you need is emails. And right now, for example, these are the emails that are automatically sent out, and there's a lot of them. But here's the welcome email. So we'll click edit, and it says welcome. And this code here is so that it sends it to the person as they've registered. And you can drag down here to make it a little bit longer. And so you can log in here, and it gives the address, and using this name, password, blah, 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 cheers. So if I were you, if you want to put something in between the welcome bit and the you can log in here bit, you could. I would just click right after it, hit enter, and type whatever it is you want to say. Try to leave any of these fancy codey things alone, because that works with the plugin to give the information you need. Once you are done, then I think it automatically saves. Let me see. I don't see a save settings button, so it could be true. Oh, update options. Here you go at the bottom. Okay, sorry. So you can make this change. You can send a test email, and you can reset to default, which I'm going to do right now, just showing that that can be done. And if you want to add a picture in there, for example, so I want to put a picture here. So I'm going to hit enter again to give myself some space and add media. I could put in a picture from the media library, and it would be in there, and welcome, and then there's a picture. So right now I don't want to do that. So I'm going to just plop it back to default. And then you can just go through the list. Hide editor closes that one up, and then you can just choose the next one, payment receipt. And all of this is already professional and done for you. So if you don't want to spend time on it, you don't have to, and you can always do this. But if you want to mess around with it, that's fine too. And these are so these first ones are notices that go to members. The next set are notices that come to you. So for example, if a new person signs up right now, you should get a notice, and it just says new sign up. So-and-so just signed up, there's their information, and that's where they work from. You may get to the point where you don't want all this information. But for example, refunded transactions or resumed subscriptions you might want. So this is all stuff you can just leave, because it's only coming to you. And then we will set up a privacy policy. And obviously right now we need to change this to kim@betterlifeinc.net, right? Let me double check, make sure I got that right. Anyways, when you're done with the page, just update your options, and it's all set. So really, all you really want to worry about are these, and it's up to you how much you want to change them, but just thought I'd offer you the option. I was watching the video just to double check for errors, and I found a detail that you might like to have that will make your life simpler. So let's say we're in the welcome email, and I want to edit, and I open this wider, there we go, and I want to put in a picture. That one that I showed you went in really big, and I failed to point out something important. So add media. First of all, if you don't want something that's already in your media library, you can just upload anything you want. Once it's in your library, and when you upload, then it'll show you the picture, and you'll see something like this. So here's the picture. Now I can put it in full size. I can make it large, medium, or small. So let's go with small, insert, there. Now I've got something that's a lot more reasonably sized. And I'm going to delete that for a second. and I'm going to put my cursor before. So let's add media, and I'm going to use the Robin Redbreast this time. Now thumbnail is what I was already set on, so apparently it's going to pick that. Let's go with medium. Insert. So now see how it's up tight against the title, but if I just hit enter, now I've got the image right before, and I can click on that image and I can say I want it left, centered, right, or no alignment. So let's put it center. There we go. And yeah, I mean, it's not fantastic, but it's not bad. I don't know if I can back it up a space. Nope. Okay. So you can edit the photo like that and choose your sizes again. If I wanted full size, or if I want, MemberPress courses thumbnail, 600 by 400. I can do a custom size and make it whatever I want. So yeah, all you have to do is click on it and edit the photo, and you can make your changes. So I'm going to reset to default again, but I just wanted you to know that you do have control over how the picture looks and where it's sized and all of that important stuff. So there you go.